How to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can purchase your Prime membership in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically purchase the Prime membership, which means Amazon Prime subscription, the easiest way to do so would be from your browser. So when you open your browser, just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then make sure you sign into the Amazon account where you want to get the Prime subscription. After you do that, you'll see this type of interface that says start your free 30-day trial option. So make sure to tap on start your free 30-day trial button here, and as you do that, it will ask you to simply select a payment method. So all you have to do is you can look at the Prime benefits, tap on add credit or debit card, make sure to enter your payment details, then tap on add and continue. Then after that, your Amazon account will get successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime. This way you can basically purchase Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.